Hey guys, welcome to another easy guitar tutorial. Today we have a beautiful and easy song called Too Good at Goodbyes by Sam Smith. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar on standard tuning, and we're going to learn two versions of this song. One of them we won't use a capo, and we're going to have a couple of bar chords. But in the capo version, we're going to use easy chord shapes, and it's great for beginners. Let's start with a capo version. So put your capo on the 5th fret and let's jump to the lesson. For the entire song, we are going to use same 4 chords and in the same order actually. So we have A minor, C, G, and finally a D minor. Let's start with the verse part. In the verse part, we're just going to strum each chord once and holding it out for 4 beats, which will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the verse part will sound like this. For the rest of the song, we are going to add an easy strumming pattern, which goes down, 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 up, down. Again, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And we're going to play the strumming pattern twice for each chord, and it will sound like this. And we're going to use this strumming pattern for the rest of the song. That's it for the capo version. Now if you don't have a capo or you're not a beginner and you don't have any problem with holding bar chords, let's move on to the no capo version. So in the no capo version, our chord shapes will change to D minor, F, C, and finally G minor. And again, for the verse part, we're going to strum each chord once and holding it out for 4 beats, which will sound like this. And for the rest of the song, again, we're going to use the strumming pattern twice for each chord, which will sound like this. That's it guys, and again we're going to use the strumming pattern for the rest of the song. If you find out this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorial.